Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create an account in WorldFirst Bank. So let's get started. So first of all, make sure to go to the official website, which is WorldFirst. Go ahead and click sign up in the top right corner. Now after that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you need to select your country or region of the business. For the next step, make sure to register for a Word account with your email address. You'll be required to set up two-factor authentication with your mobile number. If you are registering with your mobile number, you will be required to set up a two-factor authentication with your email address. After that, make sure to enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address or mobile number. After that, select continue to proceed with the online registration. You can select maybe later if you wish to complete the registration process at another time. All you have to do is log into your Word account with your registered email address or phone number, and you'll be prompted to verify your account in your main dashboard. For the next step, select your business type and click next. Note if you do not have a registered business, select sole proprietor. A drop-down question will be prompted to you to indicate if your business is registered. Now select an industry that best describes your business and click save and next. After that, add your business details and click save and next. Make sure to include all the relevant business information such as your trading name, business or company name, and your trading address, which is the address where your business predominantly operates. After that, you'll need to verify your identity, so select save and next. Select the country of your ID and which ID type you wish to submit. To upload your ID, use your mobile device to scan the QR code. You can submit up to 3 types of ID: local ID or passport or driving license. After that, if you are experiencing issues uploading your ID using the QR code, you will be receiving a pop-up screen to upload selfie within a few minutes. So click upload selfie to manually upload your proof of ID and selfie image. Now for the next step, follow the steps to upload your identification documents and fill in all details before clicking submit. Note, for ID documents, I suggest you upload the front and back colored copy of your ID in one file only. This will help speed up your account verification. Now for the last step, once you have completed the online registration, you will be notified by email on your account application status within 2 working days. Note that in the event where your details are incomplete, missing, or require further clarification, the support team will reach out for more details from you. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.